What does it take to be a dentist? It's an extremely complex question because in dentistry, and I've often thought about it in my career as a dentist, I've seen thousands of patients and had a very successful practice. And the one thing that it always came back to in dentistry, and I learned this as a young dentist, I was looking at my patients and I kept on seeing patients and then maintaining them and seeing them and maintaining them. And over time, they would deteriorate. So I reached a point where I asked myself, why does my wife and children and the people around me, why do their mouths keep getting better, but my patients get better and then they deteriorate and get better and deteriorate? And I could never really manage it. And it took me a while to realize that the one thing that made me a better dentist for the people around me was that I cared. So the single most important thing that a dentist should have is passion and caring about what you do. The moment that I realized that I have to care about every single filling I do, every patient that I see, I became a better dentist. So today, for a young dentist that is out there that asks this question, what does it take to be a dentist? Number one, compassion. You need to understand that you can help everybody. You must just figure out how. Number two, a good understanding of the mechanics and the engineering around dentistry. Because we're not only dentists, we become engineers, we become psychiatrists, we become psychologists, we become doctors. We need to understand the complete picture in order to be dentists. The other thing that you need to do dentistry is a lot of patience and a hell of a lot of hard work. But if you do the profession well, you invest in the technology, you're interested in what you're doing, you keep on learning, you'll be a brilliant dentist and it will be a brilliant career.
Your dentist, your choice.